Right, hello everyone. So Bob's fuel tank is in need of replace. I'll try and splice in, splice out what it's looked like before. So I want to kind of, hopefully this might be a tip for people, but I've gone for one of these units. I'll put the link for eBay where you want to get them. But what tends to happen, and this has been driving me nuts for ages, so you drill your holes, you get your bracket, well, as you can see, I'm already gonna, in fact this is going to be from scratch actually. So you, oh, sorry, I can edit it. Right, so I've got a problem. Right, you need to get this bloody thing in, and one thing that's against you is gravity. So what we can do is flip it up on its side, half your problem out of the way. Let's get this in here. So obviously we've got gravity against us, so what I want to do is use it so I can just get the holes lined up. Now this is as fidgety as hell, but you can make it work. I'll just try and get, so there we go. So as long as I can get one bolt through the hole, the rest should follow. There we go. So can we see that? So we're starting to get holes through. So if we drill them correctly, hey presto, all the way in. There we go. So you can see that's a bit of a pain in the rear to do. So I've marked where I want to get it, and this is where hopefully I'm going to try and do this whilst rolling camera. So when you go to offer this up, what can sometimes happen is it pushes this all back. So what happens, you end up in a perpetual cycle of trying to get this thing to sort out. So what you want to do is push it all the way through. Hopefully I'm not getting my arms in here too much. Press it all the way through as best you can. And then what you want to then do is get a screwdriver and hold it there. Then I've got a black mark here, black mark, hopefully you can see that on there. We'll line the two up. Because it's all wedged, nothing goes. I want to then put at least 3, if not 4. I'm not bothered about the washers at the moment. So I'll do 1, 2, 3, and 4. Okay, cheated there, obviously just got it then.